are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I just ate something that is making me allergic.
Man, no. Keep on forgetting to do it because I've been so busy. I've been so busy. I keep on forgetting to wash them. They're right there to wash too.
I can't wash them by themselves. It's just a waste of money.
I know. Yep.
She did.
Not done yet.
No, in a row. It's a wonder you didn't get scared.
That's a weird one.
It's a wonder you don't feel the pain off the seat.
I know. I know.
Aber nicht bei mir, bitte. Gesundheit. Alter? Nicht mal ein. Der hat Suchtschnupfen. Jetzt ist er weg. Warte, nee. Der Suchtschnupfen ist wie bei meiner Mutter. Nicht mehr eine Stunde. Jetzt ist er weg.
Unsere Crackschen bekommt raus.
My favorite was the venue.
So my daughter Eleanor recently told me that when she finds a conversation boring, she sneezes 4 times. She fake sneezes 4 times in a row. I literally got an appointment to an allergist. She sneezes all the time around me. What is she trying to say?
I don't know. Maybe be more engaging. I don't know.
You know what? Everybody needs to know about interest rates. Evidently, I'm... You know what? Overspending. If your tire pressure is not where it needs to be... Everybody should get rid of half of their closet. I think I don't want to order on Amazon.
Sorry.
Pollen count must be high.
Yeah, that's
Hi guys, good morning. It's 6:55. I literally have to leave my house in 5 minutes. My hair's done, I'm dressed. I literally have to do my face. That is all. So let's get to it before I'm late for like the 10th time this month. I don't think they're keeping track. That sounded horrible. Let's try that again. Jesus. Oh my god, now it looks like I'm crying. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Hey guys, good morning. Get ready with me for work. It is 6:50 a.m. No, it's not. Oh my god. God hates me right now. Please.
she knows a lot. Oh, I am boring.
Well, maybe you need to lean into like a Roblox or a Dress to Impress or whatever that stupid game is. Your kids can drone on about that for hours.
I can't sneeze enough to get out of that conversation. I'm gonna end up with a seizure or
Oh my
pee
god!
my pants.
My son tells me about a new Minecraft game. Yeah, I'll fake a heart attack. I don't care. I'm not having this conversation.
And guess what he will do as you lay there with a fake heart attack? Tell you more.
Hi guys, good morning. It is 6:55 right now. I literally have to leave my house in 5 minutes. My hair's done. I'm already dressed. I can't stop sneezing. Oh my God. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. That was my last one, I promise. Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Get ready with me for work. I literally have to leave in 5 minutes, so let's get to it. It literally looks like I'm crying. I wasn't. I literally cannot stop sneezing. I'm about to sneeze right now. Jesus, I'm sorry. I can't stop sneezing. I don't know why. It's not even allergy season, I don't think, but we're okay. We're okay. Anyways, I don't know what I wanted to tell you guys. It's Tuesday. Tuesdays aren't too bad. I have to sneeze again. God does not want me to be an influencer, guys. Jesus. Anyways, okay. Wow. And now my rushing is going crappy. It's okay though. I'm gonna post this. This is really funny. This is really going to be funny. Oh my god.
Have you heard the girl with the Barbies? There's a girl on YouTube, and I think her name's Emily. Evidently, she makes Barbie clothes and has these little Barbie houses that she sort of makes like modern versions of or whatever. A lot of it's ordered from Temu, if I'm gonna be honest.
Sure.
So she makes all these freaking, and this is how she talks. Hey guys, thanks for coming today. I'm Emily, and if you don't know, then I get, like she'll even have a hood on the oven, which I can appreciate.
Go on. What? Hood on the oven?
Hold on, man. I'm trying to get to the. It's about someone boring. It can't be me being boring. Okay.
My husband will tell me a story about football from college, and he cannot stop. Yes. But he's got to finish the story no matter how many times I've heard the story.
Or you've got up to go to the sink, or you're opening the fridge, or you're going, and he's like, and then the quarterback was it? Did you hear the last part? The 25-yard line.
Yeah, you told me this. You told me this.
So, but let me tell you again.
What?
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Se isso aqui tivesse em uma vitrine de shopping.